Hey folks, we are all the way down here to Module 14, and good news is that next week, Module 15 will be the last module that will go through the process of reading and reflecting, listening, doing your SMART book assessment, observations, discussions, and assessments. So you have this week and then next week, and then we prepare for our final exam, and I will include more information on that in Module 15. So let's look here to see what we are doing this week. I'm going to click on Module 14 Directions, and I can see the list of stuff that we have to do. First thing, you're going to read both chapters 15 and 16, just like last week. We're combining all the information on late adulthood together. So we're going to talk about the physical, cognitive, and socio-emotional development of adulthood, and that is ages 60 to 65 years and older. And then you are only going to do your SMART book assignment on chapter 16. You're only going to listen to a chapter short reflection on chapter 15 and then reflect only on that chapter. You are going to reflect on these 6 points, and that's discussed in the short lecture as well. But again, one paragraph on each 6 of these topics. Remember, a paragraph is roughly 5 sentences long. You will most likely go over your 1 page, and that is okay. But again, make sure you cover each one of those things. And then you are going to observe someone ages 60 to 65 years or older. But you are going to do that just by interviewing someone that you know that is 60 or older. If you need help finding someone, if you do not have grandparents, contact a friend, see if you can borrow someone's nanny real quick and interview them. Please do this interview over phone or Zoom or Skype if they can understand those things, but a phone interview will work just fine. We're going to do those observations the same way that we always have, where we have 7 points for the interview questions and recording, and then 5 points for the discussion that goes after that. And then, of course, the last thing we do is we're going to assess our learning over the chapter in a quick 10-question quiz. So let's look to see where all that stuff is, just so you guys are comfortable in this module. Right here is the chapter 15 short lecture. Right here is where you're going to submit chapter 15 reflection, where 10 points. Again, here are those 6 paragraphs that you should be writing on. Moving our way down the list for this week, we can see chapter 16, socio-emotional development in late adulthood. That is your internet assignment, 15 points there. Here is just one more time, because this is the last time you're going to be doing these developmental interviews. The things that you need to include. Make sure you are including all 3 portions per question. This is where you're going to upload your typed interview. You are going to take part in developmental interview. Again, you get 3 points for your initial post, and that post is just a copy of one of these questions, and then a point for every point of discussion you have after that. That will give you 5 when you talk back to 2 other people. And here is your quick 10-question quiz. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. You're doing a great job. You are almost there. Make sure you're getting your work in because that final exam is based on your current grade in the class, if you even need to take it. And so our goal is for no one to take it. If you need anything, please reach out and I will make contact with you quickly. I look forward to reading all of your reflections and reading your discussions. Hope everyone is healthy, and that is it.